Hi children, good morning. Welcome to third standard subject social studies. Topic our earth. Last class will continue the children about earth. Today we are going to learn about more about earth. Now, what is the shape of the earth children? The shape of the earth is round. What is the shape of the earth? Round. The shape of the earth is round like a ball. Next, in olden days people travel to distant places and cross the great water bodies. In olden days people travel very long distance children. They travel by ship and all. Now that time that bus, car and all is not there children. So they travel by water bodies like ship and all is there. They presumed that the earth was flat. So people thought that they traveled far, they would reach the other end of the edge. The people thought that they'll travel, start from here, they'll travel and they'll reach other end. About 400 years ago, in 1522, a Portuguese sailor, Ferdinand Magellan, started the long voyage Spain to prove that the earth in rounding shape. Who is children proved that the earth is rounding shape? Here. The Ferdinand Magellan started the voyage. He started the voyage in which year children? In 1522, a Portuguese sailor, Ferdinand Magellan, started his voyage from Spain to prove that the earth is a rounding shape. What is the shape of the earth children? The shape of the earth is round like a ball. In olden days, people will travel long distance places to cross the water bodies. They want to cross the water bodies means what they are using children? They are using ship and all they are using. That time they don't have any like nowadays facilities. They know children car, bus and all. Nowadays they are only using the ship and all they are using. They presumed that the earth was flat. They presumed that the earth was flat. Flat andre ಸಮತಟ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That the space thought that if they were traveled far, they would reach the other end of the earth. They thought that ಒಂದು ಎಂಡಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅವರು ಬೋಟ್ನ ಶಿಪ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Look at this picture children. You can use this. See the picture children. What is the image edge of the earth? What is the children? The image edge of the earth. Thought. Next. About 400 years ago, in 1522, in which year children? About 400 years ago, in 1522, a Portuguese sailor, Ferdinand Magellan, started the voyage. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ. Long voyage from the Spain proved that the earth is round in shape. Who proved that children? Ferdinand Magellan. Who was the Ferdinand Magellan children? He is a Portuguese sailor. He is a Portuguese sailor. Next, Magellan sailed at the same direction to continuously for the 3 years. How many years traveled children? 3 years. Finally, Magellan's ship reached the same place from where he had started. See children, this is the, who is this Portuguese sailor? Ferdinand Magellan started his voyage from space to prove that the earth is a rounding shape. Magellan started his same where he started the children. He started continuously for how many years children? 3 years. Finally, Magellan's ship reached the same direction where he started. Now, there only he reached the same direction. How many years he took children? 3 years. The Magellan was successful to prove that the earth is a rounding shape. Now, who proved children? Magellan proved that the earth is a rounding shape. The photographs of the earth taken from the space by the astronauts. Who took the photograph children? The photographs of the earth taken by the space by the astronauts. Astronauts children, what children? People who travel in a spacecraft. Astronaut means person who travel in a spacecraft. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬೇರೆ ಗ್ರಹಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. And also prove that the earth is round. They also prove that the earth is round. See, earth is round. Actually, the shape of the earth is a spherical like an orange. How is our earth, children? Actually, shape of the earth is spherical like an orange, slightly flat at the top and the bottom. Now once again I will repeat, children. How is the earth, children? The earth is a round in shape. See, children, our earth is a round in shape, in like a ball. Now, in a olden days, people travel very long distance. They are using very long distance places to cross the great water bodies. They want to go for very far means they are using ship or they are using children. That time they don't have any facility to travel like bus, car. Nowadays they know, children. That time no facilities, children. That's why they are using ship. They assumed that the earth was flat. So people thought that they traveled too far. They would reach the other end of the earth. See, they thought that they'll start from one place to they'll reach another edge. Next, about 400 years ago, 1522, a Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan started his long voyage from Spain to prove that the earth is round in a shape. Who proved, children? See this. Look at this picture. This fellow name. This picture name is, who is this fellow? This person. Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan. He started his long voyage from space to prove that the earth is a round in shape. Magellan started in the same direction. Continuously for 3 years. How many years, children? 3 years. Finally, Magellan reached the same place where he started. Where he started, my children? Magellan started. He reached the same direction. Who reached, children? Magellan reached the same direction. So that the Magellan successfully proved that the earth is a round in shape. See, children, in astronauts and all, they took the photographs of the earth taken by the space. Who the astronauts, children? A person who traveled in a spacecraft taken by the photographs of the earth taken from the space by the astronauts. And astronauts also proved that the earth is a round. However, the actual shape of the earth is a spherical like an orange, slight at the top of the bottom. Understood, children? Take out your reader. You have to read, children. Page number 13 over. Last class, we talk about our earth. What and all is there in our earth? We talk now, children. Now, shape of the earth. Shape of the earth is a round like an orange, like a ball. See, in olden days, people travel very afraid to travel to long distance to cross the great water bodies. ಅವರು ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶಿಪ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದೇ ಪರ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ earth was flat. The people thought that they traveled so far to reach the other end of the edge. This about 400 years ago, in 1522, a Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan started the long voyage to prove that the earth is from Spain to prove that the earth is a round in shape. Magellan started in the same direction and continuously for 3 years. Finally, Magellan reached the where he started, no children, there only he reached. So Magellan proved that the earth is a round in shape. Now the photographs of the earth taken from the space by the astronauts and also prove that the earth is a round in shape. But however, it is the actual shape of the earth is a spherical like an orange slightly at the top and the bottom. Okay, children, I'll continue one more part, children.